So here's a summation of the first test. I sketched this in AutoCAD and then I exported it to a DXF file. Then I installed and opened a program called Lightburn, imported the DXF file, no problems there, and you can edit it pretty easy. You don't have to do this. You could create everything you see here natively in this program. You don't need the CAD. Then I did different layers, which are displayed as colors here. And here's the different layers by number. And I set each layer to a different shade or a cut line just to see what the results were. Watch some different videos on how to set this up. Here's the result. It was sitting on that metal plate, and the burn lines were probably a little too heavy on these circles. I set 3 of them up heavier, and this one in the top right was a lighter burn, and it stayed in place, but it punched out really easy. And I was gonna try to dislodge these. Oh, they're not stuck very much. Probably just a little residue from the plywood. And then here's the end result, and these are pretty small, as you can see. Let's see, this plate is like 3.5 inches long, so it's pretty small, and it's about 2 millimeters thick, maybe less than 1/8 of an inch. And the detail, let me go on the zoom here. The detail is really good, pretty precise. You can see that's probably the better shade. You can even see the lines there. You zoom in, see the lines from the laser. This one's probably a little too heavy of a shade. That outline is way too light, and I set it up, as you can see from this. I set up that lighter than this, so that was to be expected, but definitely lighter than what's nice visibility. And then really the only problem was centering it and getting it straight, so I have to play with that a little bit more. And then next thing I probably want to do is see what it'd be like on a different material, maybe the plastic, maybe the glass, and then later maybe the rotary thing as well.
All right, excuse me, Professor? Hi there, Andy Dwyer. Curious, when will you be bringing out the lasers for me to play with? And would we start with the small lasers, or could we go just straight to the big lasers in terms of playing with them?
We won't be using actual lasers in this course. It's about the theory that makes them possible.
One of the most significant bummers of my lifetime.